All right, frozen waterfall, you guys. You've seen me here many, many times. Dude, the sound is so cool. You can hear big chunks of ice falling down. Oof, that's cool. I really like this spot. I don't think we can get over there. Probably a good idea that Wolf didn't want to get out, eh? Okay, I've made quite a few videos here, like this Well waterfall. Just kind of like the go-to when nobody wants to get out of the truck, right? Dude, it is gorgeous though. Oh man, I bet you it's cold up there. Good sound. Ooh, that's cool. Man, that's peaceful. It felt like this wave of like wash over me. That's why we make videos. Just for that feeling. Oh, that was a big one. Man, that's crazy, eh? Oops. That's crazy too. I love it. Makes me wonder what's on top there. Makes me wonder if a big pile is going to come over from the top. Right? The massive waterfall melting. As it melts, huge pieces of ice sail over the top, impaling whoever is standing underneath. That's so good. This is cool. No, somebody put that one there. Oh, that was rough maybe on my back. Yeah, the cold rock picking today. Cool how that's kind of busting apart though. Hey, look, and there's that piece that's gonna fall off probably. Some nice red quartz in here. Some nice stuff over there. Here comes Melissa. Walking away. Look at the puddles. Isn't that pretty? Oh, pretty. Love it. Oh, somebody must be crossing this log. Doesn't even notice.